In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Grammarly extension. Let's start by getting the extension installed. Open your browser's add-ons or extensions store. If you're using Chrome, search for Grammarly and click Add to Chrome. On other browsers, the button might say Add or Install. Confirm the permissions when prompted, and in a few moments you'll see the Grammarly G icon appear near your address bar. If the icon doesn't show up right away, refresh your page or check your extensions menu to make sure it's enabled for the current site. Next, sign in. If you're not already logged in, Grammarly will prompt you to sign in or create an account. Logging in syncs your preferences and ensures your writing goals and settings carry across sites. If you already have an account, just use those credentials and you'll be ready to go. Now, start typing anywhere you normally write online: emails, social media posts, comments, or web-based documents. As you type, Grammarly works in the background and underlines potential issues in real time. You might see different underline styles for spelling, punctuation, clarity, or style. If you don't see any underlines where you expect them, make sure the extension is turned on for that site and that the text field is not a secure input, like a password box. When you notice an underline, click it to open the suggestion. You'll see a brief explanation of what Grammarly found, whether it's a grammar slip, a spelling error, punctuation tweak, clarity improvement, or a style note. These explanations help you learn as you go, so you not only fix the sentence in front of you, but also build better habits for future writing. To apply a correction, simply click the suggestion and Grammarly will update the text automatically. If you prefer to keep control, you can ignore the suggestion and edit the sentence manually based on the explanation. You can also dismiss suggestions you don't want to apply, which helps keep your voice and tone intact. Finally, customize your experience. Click the Grammarly icon to open the extension settings. Here you can set your tone and goals, like formal or informal, and choose what types of suggestions you want to see. Adjust notification preferences, pick your English dialect, and fine-tune how aggressively Grammarly flags style issues. These settings help Grammarly tailor its feedback to your context, whether you're drafting a professional email or a casual post. That's it. Install, sign in, start typing, review suggestions, apply corrections, and customize settings to make Grammarly work best for you.